Alright, YouTube, listen, we are back with another reaction video. Listen, one of my subscribers hit me up in the comment section below, told me to check out, what is his name called? Sidemen, Barbershop, something, I don't know, alright? But I actually paid attention to that comment. I did my research, I looked at it. I didn't watch the full video, but I know that KSI is finna cut somebody hair. Listen, if you don't know what KSI is, okay, you are living under a rock, okay? He is the one that fought Logan Paul, and yeah, that fight did numbers, all right? I think he fought him like 2 times, but anyway, listen, if you guys would, make sure you smash the subscribe button, follow your boy, make sure you hit that like button as well, because this is about to get interesting, okay? I don't know how good KSI cuts, okay? So let's just stay tuned and see what happens. Alright, you guys, we are back. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video, see what's happening. Let's do it.
Here he comes. This is our next contestant.
It's been a long time. How you doing?
Thank you for coming down, mate. It's a pleasure to have you in the shop today. So, who would you prefer out of these boys to cut your hair?
I think Toby would be the nicest.
Yep.
Like, I genuinely do.
Right.
Fuck you. Everyone outside is like, you'll mess people up. You ain't got brain cells. Like,
wait, I think he said that to KSI. I think he said... I think he gave the bird to KSI. Let's go.
I don't even know what to say about you, so...
All right, well, we're going to spin the wheel, the Barber Select wheel. Boom. It says KSI.
No, I don't.
What are the odds, though? What are the odds?
Downstairs. Can I change it? My COVID test came back positive. I got no.
Welcome to my shop, Take a seat.
I've got to travel. Like,
Come and take a seat.
He's trying to
I've
come
known
up
you
with
a
all
long
the
time.
excuses.
I know why, yes.
we've been on good terms. Let's keep it that way.
Yes. Let me start with this.
Yeah, can't wait for this. Getting blown by KSI.
Bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Bro, I would not
very
trust
good, very
him just
good.
off the simple
How
fact
you
that it
feeling?
started off with a
Pretty.
blow dryer. Like, come on, man.
Pretty
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting pampered right now.
Yeah.
This man
been
is
doing this
dusting
long?
him
Oh,
off.
very
There is
long,
no
very long.
hair
Just making
even
sure
cut.
you
You
are
don't even need that
Feeling
right now.
fresh. Feeling
You didn't
good.
spin that wheel, did you?
Bro, I did.
You didn't.
I know, that's what I'm saying. He did not spin that wheel, bro. What are the odds of that?
JJ.
No.
Oh, mate, this is...
I need to check, huh? Just a little bit of that. Tap. Oh, okay. A little bit.
Bro.
A little bit there.
I don't know if I could do that,
And a little
bro.
bit.
He playing too much.
Oh.
Just
Don't
draw blood. Just don't draw
no,
blood.
JJ, no blood.
JJ, no blood. No blood, please.
Okay.
What's your name?
Alfonso.
Alfonso.
Nah, stick the scissors.
Now we get to play.
There's nothing I can do now.
Bro.
Oh,
The way he's
Nothing can
holding
save
the
you now.
clippers,
Wait,
bro,
are
I
you
don't
going to tell
even
me what style
trust
you're
it.
going for?
I'm going for the special. Oh, you're going to look so good. Oh my God.
Why are you going
This is
sideways?
looking hot.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Bro.
Oh, oh, I'm so good at this.
You just
Oh my
outright
God.
butchering him
Why are you
at
so
this
close
point.
to me?
Just,
Can we have a bit of social distancing? Like,
Bro.
for the sake of everything. Oh my God.
just gotta make sure you
Bro, this doesn't. Heck no.
Oh.
This is just a
JJ,
butcher.
I mean,
Alfonso.
Alfonso.
You not even trying to fade.
Great.
You not even trying to fade at all.
I have
Tom,
a mirror behind
Tom,
me.
you don't need a mirror.
Bro,
You
he's
don't.
scalping
Oh,
you, bro. There's
You
no.
don't want to
You don't need no mirror, no nothing. He's just taking everything off.
Bro, he's only doing this because he can't do it to himself. Fuck on.
So beautiful.
Golly.
Oh, Mamma mia.
How much is coming off?
Oh my God.
What are you talking about? You know everything is coming off.
Oh my God. Okay, now let's blow the thing.
Bro.
Oh, we're styling it.
Alfonso, bro.
It's
Alfonso.
getting styled. It's getting
Bro, I have to get on a train. And the guy's gonna be
Right.
like, yo, you good? And I'm like,
Bro could have clippered over
don't know.
comb. He could have did
I'm
something
gonna go-
else. He just
Bro, I'm gonna go into
he
the
purposely
situation.
just scalped him.
Bro, what the
for
fuck
real.
is that? Mate, are you even serious right now?
Oh, he's
Hold on, wait a minute. Listen, you guys. KSI, he went in just so foul. It wasn't no thought process behind it. He wasn't trying to look at no videos. He wasn't trying to get nothing educational to try to help him do this cut efficient. He dived in with the clipper sideways and just, this was on purpose, man. This was a purpose scalp. Yeah, let's continue.
sounds like he's going smoothly now.
I think he's styling out for you now.
Yeah, styling it.
Yeah, it's because you can't see the other side, mate.
Bro, is he still
And
using?
look, mate, look at me. It looks like someone's taking a blade straight to my head.
Styling.
If
Styling.
you just
I'm
walk that
styling.
way,
I'm styling.
then it's okay. Yeah. No.
Bro, the way he's moving in the chair, just not really
You know, I
caring.
think we might leave that.
He don't even really care at
I
this
see where
point.
you're going. You stay away from the eyebrows. No. If he touches the eyebrows, I will pin him down to. I will pin him down to the ground and cut them things off. I got scissors at the ready.
You know, I don't worry about that side.
See, look from here. Look,
Bro,
Alfonso.
and-
It looks pretty good from that angle.
No,
Yeah,
no,
look at
not
that.
in any
Yeah.
way does that look
Man,
good.
you'll
That's fine.
be good.
I look like a potato.
Oh,
I look like an actual potato.
it doesn't look.
Harry, you can't see it, mate. Look.
What about the other side though, man?
Actually, look. It's okay from your angle.
Actually, look.
Wait, so
That's it.
that's it.
It's done.
The special.
The special
What?
is
Oh
done.
wow!
You didn't even do the other side. What are you clapping for? You didn't even do the other side. No, you're not amazing.
Can I see your ticket, sir? Yeah, sure.
No, he's over here. No.
How do you feel about your haircut today,
I've
bro?
known you a long time.
I think it's special. It's special.
You might need that more.
Bro purposely
no.
butchered him though.
Embrace it. You have to have this for
You have to do
forever.
like a Jake
I would
Paul
take the
Logan
clippers
Paul
and just
thing,
cut me all bald, man. I'm not,
You
nah.
can't really notice it. Like they pull it off. I think I pull it off.
I'm cutting it all off. You're not leaving me one-sided like that. What is this? Are you two-faced? What's going on? And then he gouged him right here. He cut it all off on this side and then gouged him on the other side though.
Oh, don't get back started.
No.
Don't get started again, bro.
No, I think that's good. No, it's sick, man.
Mate, the guys downstairs, I didn't even know you had like a backup barber. Like,
Bro, I'm taking the clippers and just cutting it all off at this point.
That's not actually bad. You can save that. Now you fucked me.
No.
You have, JJ.
No.
JJ, you fucked me.
Like, he'll probably give you like a mohawk. Like, you'll probably do that.
I appreciate
That's what I was
it,
thinking.
but I'm
I
gonna
was
go
thinking he was gonna
downstairs
give
and
him a
get it all
mohawk.
shaved
He
off.
could give him a mohawk,
Boys,
but I mean, I think he cut off too much on the top and one side.
thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know what this was. I don't know why he's thanking people. He just literally butchered you, right? Has no experience at all. From the way that he was holding the clippers, we could tell he was going sideways on it when you're supposed to go up. He could have used a clipper over comb, brought it down. He could have tried to actually give him a good cut. But this right here, what we just watched, this was just blatant. I don't like you, okay? And I want to give the worst cut possible. That's what we just witnessed. There is nothing educational about this, what we just watched, okay? This was straight up, I can't even call it a prank because he actually did that. You know what I'm saying? He did that. There's no coming back from this. You just gotta cut it all off, okay? But hey, that's the video. If you guys liked it, I didn't. You know what I'm saying? Give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. All right, more videos to come. Yeah, this right here, I don't know. Oh, also, I made a TikTok. So follow me on TikTok at official360Jeezy. I do, I'll be uploading every other day or something like that on there. So yeah, follow my TikTok as well. It's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Peace.